Hi there, this is Meenakshi Sharma from Welcome Canada. Welcome back to my Welcome Canada YouTube channel. So today's topic is best credit card for Costco Canada in 2021. Everybody knows very well about Costco in very famous brand store in Canada, right? Everyone loves shopping from Costco on weekends. So please write in a comment section those agree with me to visit on their weekend in Costco, Canada. For shopping with Costco, it's essential for everyone to choose best credit card that is right for your Costco shopping in 2021. I already uploaded videos on Costco Canada membership, how to get Costco Canada membership and right credit card for Costco members in Canada. You can go there and watch these videos related to Costco Canada so that you can enjoy your shopping with Costco at very cheap price and save your hard-earned money for more shopping with Costco in future, right? But remember my friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel immediately so that you are eligible for watching more videos on Welcome Canada. So let's get started. The today's topic, best Costco MasterCard for Canadians in 2021. Dear friends, if you want to watch videos related to low income credit cards or top cashback credit cards with no annual fee in Canada, you can go to my YouTube channel and watch videos related to that content, right? In this video, we will discuss about the top 6 credit cards which are based for Costco shopping. The first on the list is Roger World Elite MasterCard. That is very well famous MasterCard which based on Rogers. The second on the list is Roger Fido MasterCard. Everybody knows very well about the famous Rogers in Canada. The third on the list is BMO World Elite MasterCard. Fourth, we will discuss here BMO Air Miles World Elite MasterCard for Costco Canada in 2021. The fifth we discuss here is BMO Reward MasterCard for Canada Costco shopping. Last on this list, we will discuss the BMO Reward Business MasterCard for Costco Canada in 2021. Costco accepts only MasterCards for shopping, so we will discuss here in detail the previous mentioned credit cards which are based on MasterCards. The important thing should keep in mind, always pay full amount of your credit card bills before the due date so that you can secure your credit history on high level and enjoy shopping more with credit cards in Canada. Maintain your credit level on top always, right? But my dear friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel for receiving good vibes from Welcome Canada, alright? Subscribe for good vibes. First, we will discuss about the Roger World Elite MasterCard. Who's eligible for this Roger World Elite MasterCard? That has minimum credit score should be good or excellent and minimum income individual basis should be 80,000 Canadian dollars and your household annual income should be 150,000 Canadian dollars, right? And age of majority in your residential province or territory in Canada, you should be Canadian residents, and the other requirements are the no bankruptcy or consumer proposal in the past 7 years. With this card, you can enjoy 1.5% cashback on all purchases in Canadian dollars and 3% cashback on all purchases in US dollars. That's suitable for you if you are spend money in US dollars. You will receive $25 welcome bonus after your first purchase with Roger World Elite MasterCards. It's with $0 annual fee. It gives you travel, medical, trip interruption and cancellation, rental car insurance benefit. I love this Roger World Elite MasterCard. The more perk with this card is extended warranty and purchases protection perks, and you can redeem your cashback flexibly on gas, grocery and everyday purchases. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. The second on this list is again Roger Fido MasterCard. Roger Fido MasterCard. The eligibility criteria for Roger Fido MasterCard is your minimum credit card score should be fair or good. Good thing with Roger Fido MasterCard is that there is no requirement for minimum annual income and you can easily go with Costco Canada shopping with this Roger Fido MasterCard. Age of majority according to your province and territory, you must be resident of Canada, and the other requirement is no bankruptcy or consumer proposal in the past 7 years. No annual charges you pay on Roger Fido MasterCard. You can get 1% cashback on all purchases in Canadian dollars and 1.5% cashback on all your eligible recurring bills, payments and subscriptions including your Fido and Roger's bills, utilities, streaming services. You get a $25 welcome bonus after your first purchase. Thank you so much for subscribe my channel and become member of Welcome Canada. Thanks again. The third on the list is BMO World Elite MasterCard. Now we will discuss its exclusive offers BMO World Elite MasterCard so that you are doing more shopping in Costco Canada with BMO World Elite MasterCard. The eligibility criteria for this MasterCard is minimum credit score should be good or excellent. The minimum income required for this card is 80,000 Canadian dollar on individual basis and your household income should be 150,000 Canadian dollars. Your age of majority in your province or territory, no bankruptcy in the last 7 years, and you will get the 1% cashback on all purchases in Canadian dollars and 1.5% cashback on all eligible recurring payments and subscriptions including your Fido, Roger bills, utilities, streaming services. This card with $0 annual fee. You get $25 welcome bonus after your first purchase with this MasterCard. Subscribe my channel for more valuable contents related to Canada life. Now we will talk about the fourth on the list, that is BMO Air Miles World Elite MasterCard. Who's eligible for BMO Air Miles World Elite MasterCard? Those have minimum credit score should be good or excellent, minimum income 80,000 individual basis and household income should be 150,000 Canadian dollars. Age of majority in your province or territory, no bankruptcy in the last 7 years. I will put link these famous credit cards for Costco Canada in 2021 in the description box so that you can click on it and apply for your desired credit cards. The BMO Air Miles World Elite MasterCard are coming with 120 Canadian dollar annual fee, 1 mile per $12 spent anywhere, 3 miles per $12 spent at Air Miles partner brand. You will receive 2,000 miles welcome bonus and first year annual fee waiver. Just go through the conditions apply on it. You will get 15% discount on Air Miles flight redemptions within the North America. That's suitable for those are habitual to traveling in North America regularly. Free Launch Key airport launch membership of $32 per person or per launch visit. Free access to over 1 million Wi-Fi hotspots around the world via Boingo Wi-Fi. Travel medical insurance for trip up to 15 days. Please subscribe, like, share my channel. The fifth on the list is BMO Reward MasterCard. You are eligible for exclusive offers given by BMO Reward MasterCard. Shop in Costco Canada in 2021 with BMO Reward MasterCard. Who are eligible for BMO Reward MasterCard? Minimum credit score should be fair or good. Minimum income required for BMO Reward MasterCard is 15,000 Canadian dollar. Age of majority in your province or territory, no bankruptcy in the last 7 years. BMO Reward MasterCard is good for lower income persons. You will receive 1 BMO reward point for every $1 spent with this BMO Reward MasterCard. No annual fees required for BMO Reward MasterCard. 2 BMO reward points and 25% discount at Alamo and National. You will get purchase protection and extended warranty with BMO Reward MasterCard. More dollars spent on Costco shopping, more BMO rewards gain with this MasterCard. Pay just 1.99% interest for 9 months on transferred balance and 1% fee applies. When you spend 1,000 Canadian dollar within 3 months, you will get 15,000 BMO reward points as a welcome bonus. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. The last on this video is BMO Reward Business MasterCard that is suitable for Costco Canada shopping. Subscribe my channel for build strong relations with Welcome Canada. The last on the list is BMO Reward Business Mastercard. Minimum credit score should be fair or good. Age of majority in your province or territory. No bankruptcy in the last 7 years. 3 BMO reward point for every $1 spent on gas, office supply, internet, phone bills outside Costco. Only 1.5 BMO reward points for every $1 spent elsewhere. Solid travel insurance benefits. 50,000 points welcome bonus, but annual fee for this card is $120 and your first year is free. That means for first year you are no need to pay 120 Canadian dollar annual fee for this card. If you like my videos and found more life of Canada, so subscribe my channel and eligible for watching more videos on Welcome Canada. If you watch videos related to low income credit cards or top cashback credit cards with no annual fee, then go and watch the another videos related to that content on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel for more information related to Canada. And if you want to information related to direct flights from Welcome Canada, then you can go and watch the videos related to Canada visa and newcomer videos on this Welcome Canada YouTube channel. Au revoir, goodbye, subscribe my channel.